This is a trade that I did in live session today on JSWSTEEL intraday trade. So this is an explainer video of how I use candlesticks to find the stock and how I entered as well and how I exited. So the first thing is on the intraday chart. You can see that it has made a nice shooting star pattern. So I expected that the resistance would be at 996 and the support would be at 982.75. So plan was, if we get a negative candlestick pattern at 996.5 level, then we can go short for 983 target, and probably from there it could give a bounce and then it could fall to 974. This was the trading plan before we enter the day. So now let me move to the 500 chart and explain how this trade worked out for us. So this is the, as I described, this is the path that I had created before market, that how it might go to 974. Okay, so I'll just leave this open the main part. So the first candle itself, 996.5, was breached and it made a perfect hangman, bearish hangman. So I went short here in, I used 1000 PE and I covered it around 983 when I pulled back here. I got round about 7 rupees in the option in that, and after it bounced, it made inside bar pattern here, couple of dojis, and when this made, we entered short again by buying the 1000 PE again, this time at 19 if I'm not mistaken, or 17, right? And then it went all the way down to 974 target and the option went all the way up to 27. But I exited at 21 because the overall risk was crossing the limit because of the other positions. Anyway, so that doesn't matter. So the trade was very successful, and in terms of risk reward, you can see candlesticks efficiency when you calculate the risk reward for the first trade. It's 4R, and for the second trade it's 3R. So that's how we made the profit today. We had a couple of losses in other counters, but this is a beautiful trade that we did. Perfect candlestick reading, nothing else, only candlesticks. That's the way that we read candlesticks. It comes with practice, and of course with a good book, Steve Nison's or mine, you can refer, and you can also take trades like this, but after a lot of practice. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.